Hello students. So last tutorial we have discussed about the associative array, and in this tutorial today we are going to discuss about the multi-dimensional array. So let us first start our XAMPP. Then now XAMPP is started. So let us go to our Notepad++ editor. Now let us first try to define what is multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array is nothing but an array containing one or more arrays. PHP supports multiple dimensional arrays that are 2, 3, 4, 5 or more level deep. However, arrays more than 3 levels deep are hard to manage for most people. Dimension of an array indicates the number of indices you need to select an element. Now in this tutorial today I am going to take the example of two-dimensional array. Means there will be two indices to get the values of the array. So for a two-dimensional array you need two indices to select an element. If I had considered three-dimensional array, then I would require the three indices to select an element. For simplicity, let me take this particular example of, say suppose, student database. Now as is shown on this particular screen, let us say I have some data regarding the students, and here my first column is regarding the roll number, second is name, and third is the age. So here this is simply like our table, rows and columns. So each row will start with the 0 and each column will start with 0. So here total 3 rows are there and 3 columns are there. So I will now show you how to declare the multi-dimensional array. So this example is a two-dimensional array. So let us first declare the two-dimensional array. So here for the given example students, so here let us first, I will use the function array, and to declare two-dimensional array within the function I will write again the array, and then I will just put the data. Now say suppose first field is roll number, then next I will mention the name, and third I will mention the age, and then I will write the three values. So first is, say suppose Mansi's roll number is there, say suppose 1 is there, then Mansi is there and age is there. So likewise, see here, since this is a two-dimensional array, I am using the array function twice, means array within array. This is how to declare the two-dimensional array. Now let us say I want to display a single value of this particular student's array. So how I can do this? So I'll just write down there echo $students, and note here first index is related to row and second index is related to column. So say suppose I am interested in finding the age of the Mansi. So I will mention here 0 row and second column. So let us check the output of this. Save this particular file. Save with the name multidimensional.php. Now go to your web browser and open our PHP lessons folder and click on the multidimensional.php file. So there you can see the output. So age of Mansi is displayed. Now say suppose I just want to display all the values, then I will first show you a very simple way, and then I will use the for loop. So let us write it something like this: echo $students 00 indexes dot. So in this way go on writing the echo statement for each and every row and column. Now after doing this, now notice here I have just changed the rows number and column numbers of each and every item that I want to display. So finally I'll just save this again and I will go back to the web browser and let us check the output again. So this is one way to display the entire array. Now let us do this same example using the for loop. Now this was very manual way to display the values of array, but as the number of levels or dimensions goes on increasing, it becomes very tedious to display each and every element. So I will use two for loops, one outer loop for changing the row number and inner for loop for changing the column numbers, and using this two for loop structure I can display each and every element of the array. So let us write this for, then inside the brackets, so for rows, say suppose I'll take the variable I. Here I will use the count function to know if I don't know the number of values in that particular arrow. Now since here I know that there are 3 rows, so I will start my count from 0 till the third row. Then columns also starting from 0 to 3. And then echo $students, and then in square brackets I'll go on writing the indices I and j. And don't forget to write there the BR tag so that each value will be displayed on the next line. So go on writing like this and complete the loop, and at the end save this and go to the web browser and again open the multidimensional.php file and let us check the output. So this is how you can use for loop to display the entire content of this particular array. So this is how multidimensional array works.